Hi, this is Toby with HMC Electronics. We're going to be taking a look at the Aven 5 megapixel Mighty Scope. The Aven Digital Mighty Scope was first introduced a couple of years back. When it was originally introduced, it was about a 1.3 megapixel image capture. We're now up to 5 megapixel image capture, and the price point remains about the same, just around $200. For that $200, what are you going to get? You're going to get the complete scope as seen here and boom stand. The scope has a magnification range from 10 to 200x, and that's easily adjusted just by the spinning of this wheel right here, getting yourself in focus. Adjustment of the height that you're looking at right on the back here, and then as much light saturation as you need. You've got 6 LEDs to aid in that. The image capture button right here, if you want to just take a snapshot there, or you can use the included software. We'll get to that in just one moment. The image software that is supplied, you can do an AVI, you can do a JPEG, you can capture images, even overlay a ruler for measurement. So it's rather complete software. If this stand won't work out for you, available for purchase is also this articulating arm stand, which I think is rather neat. Give you obviously a much wider range of motion, and it's just got this one knob here to tighten, and that'll fix it in place wherever you wish. So this is a circuit board that we are snapping a shot of right here, as you can see. We are not using any of the lights on the Mighty Scope itself. This is just using this ambient fluorescent light that we have here in the studio. The lights can help, or in some instances where this board is rather shiny, as you can see, you can get a little bit of a nasty glare. So a lot of time when you're just setting this up, bit of trial and error when it comes to the lighting. And of course, if I wanted to just snap a shot, I just press the button and I've got my image capture right there. You've also got on your software the ability to take a video. You've got the ability to overlay a ruler. So very, very complete for not a lot of money. So this was the board that we were just looking at under the Mighty Scope, and we were actually looking at those individual squares right there. So as you can see, very, very high magnification. Backed it off a little bit, and now we're looking at a different board, which I'm going to take off just for a second. We're actually looking at this circuit board right here, and as you can see, it gives just a really nice sharp image. This board has a little bit less glare, so even crisper image on this inspection. And again, just very simply hold, snap our picture, and you're all set. The Aven Digital Mighty Scope is a great little unit to put at any workbench where you need to do some sort of documentation, image capture of your work before or after a repair, perhaps send away information on a defect without investing in a $2,000 or $3,000 full video inspection system. It provides a clean and crisp image or video for you to be able to capture and email off. If you have any other questions with regards to the Aven Mighty Scope or any of our other magnification or microscope units, feel free to give us a call or drop us an email. Thanks for watching, and happy soldering.